I found a way to generate AI videos for free. I just found something pretty crazy. You can now generate AI videos using Google's Veo 3.1 for free. And I'm not talking about a free trial. Google Vids now lets you generate AI video clips directly inside your browser. All you need is a Google account. And according to Google, you can get up to 10 free video generations every month. So let me show you how it works. First, go to Google Vids. When you open it, you'll see a few different options, but the one we're interested in is this Veo 3.1. You can choose between landscape, portrait, and other video formats. Then all you have to do is describe the video you want to create. For example, I wrote, a cinematic shot of a futuristic city at night, flying cars moving between skyscrapers, dramatic lighting, realistic high detail. Then I clicked generate, and Google uses Veo 3.1 to turn that simple text prompt into an actual AI video. And here's the interesting part. You can also use images as references, so instead of only describing what you want, you can upload an image, tell the AI how you want the scene to move, and generate a video from it. For example, you could upload a character, a product, or even a scene that you created yourself, then use a prompt to control the action, movement, camera, and overall style. The generated clips are around 8 seconds long, but honestly, that's not a problem, because you can generate multiple clips, then combine them together. For example, generate one clip for the opening shot, another clip for the next scene, then another one, and suddenly you have everything you need to build a complete AI video. After that, you can download the clips and edit them together. Add music, sound effects, a voiceover, subtitles, and your AI-generated video is ready. Now, there is one thing you need to remember. You only get a limited number of free generations every month, so don't waste them. Before generating, spend a little time writing a good prompt. Be specific about what you want. Describe the subject, the action, the camera movement, the lighting, and the style, because the better your prompt is, the better your chances of getting a good result. And honestly, for something you can now access for free with a Google account, this is pretty impressive. Veo 3.1 is one of Google's most powerful AI video models. And now, you can use it directly inside Google Vids without needing to learn complicated software. So if you've been wanting to experiment with AI-generated videos, this might be one of the easiest ways to start. Try it before Google changes the free limits, and let me know what you would create with it.